Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for data science programs at University of California step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official University of California website. Navigate to the section for prospective students. Select the data science programs link from the menu. Choose the specific campus you are interested in. Review the program details carefully. Check the admission requirements listed for the program. Create an account on the university's application portal. Fill in your personal information accurately. Provide your academic history in the application form. Upload required documents such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. Complete the personal statement as per the guidelines provided. Pay close attention to any specific essays or additional materials requested. If applicable, submit your standardized test scores. Review your application for any errors or omissions. Once satisfied, submit your application before the deadline. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and updates. Prepare for interviews if they are part of the selection process. After acceptance, follow the enrollment instructions you receive. Finally, register for your courses once enrolled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.